Okay, I made a video showing how to put this patch on, but it didn't have any audio, so I'm going to make you a short update and show you where I am now. Okay, if you remember, I cut this hole out because there was already a big hole there, and they had been patching it, or patched it with, I think it was a thermoplastic stuff, and it looked like crap. So I cut it all off, and I had this guy that's brittle on the bottom and the sides, so I cut a patch out of his head to pretty much fit that. As you can see, it's not an exact fit. Next time I'll get try and get a little better fit. And then I weld it a little bit down here and up here, right there, and over here to hold it in place. Now I'm gonna go around this edge, go across here. I'll have to fill this in with some other plastic, fill that in, and then I'll go around here and weld all of this part up. And I have this little piece there that's going to go to fill in this hole, because when I cut the patch off of the other Snowman, I should have gone to the top of this hat band, but I cut it off too short, so I had to go back and cut that part out of that one to fill in that hole. But I stripped about 98% of the paint off of it. Then once I get it welded back in, I'll probably show what it looks like lit up with no paint, just so you can see how the lines show up, and then I'll paint the hat, and then I will show it lit up when it's done. And then I will probably go back and redo his hand. I did that with thermoplastic pellets, excuse me, and it looks like crap, to be honest with you. So I will probably take that off, and I will cut his hand off of that one, because about from his arm, from his left arm down where he's holding the cane, all of that is real brittle, and if you touch it or press on it at all, it just snaps. But the top part's still good, so that's why I took this patch off of there. But anyway, I will cut his hand off on there and replace it with that one, and then we'll go from there. I have another one back there whose right hand that's up by the hat is busted out, and I will take that hand off of him and transplant it onto that one. But that's down the road, because as you can see, I've got a few others that need a few minor repairs to do so that they can get sold. I've got a little bit too many blow molds. I've got a 10 by 20 storage unit that I'm paying for every month. It's also full of blow molds. There's my mechanical Bico. I got a few reindeer too, but I've got 2 mechanical Empire sleighs up there. One of them didn't work, but the one on the right does. That I'm gonna end up fixing. But anyway, back to the Snowman. That's where we stand with him, and once I get him welded up, I'll post another video showing how well it fit, what it looks like unpainted, and then I'll light it up so you can see, get some idea of what it'll look like lit up. And then once I'll spray paint it and light it up and see how bad those lines stick out. Hopefully they won't stick out too much. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you do, click the like button. If you want to see the next video, be notified when it's posted, probably next week sometime. Click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.